Welcome to part 2 of making your smart home even smarter. Today we will be adding new devices to your smart home. In our previous video, we installed a smart assistant like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub. You can add as many smart bulbs and smart plugs as you want in every room. You can then assign them in the Amazon or Google app to a specific room. By doing this, you will be able to control an entire room rather than a single individual device, although you can still control individual devices if you wish. For example, you can say, "Okay Google, turn off the living room," and all lights and smart plugs in that room will turn off. You will also be able to control the brightness of the lights just using your voice. Anyway, today we will be installing a smart doorbell and an Echo Show or a Google Nest Hub. Let's start with the smart doorbells. The Google Nest doorbell comes in both wired and battery versions. It offers high-quality audio and video, customizable settings, and free cloud storage for up to 3 hours. It can alert you when it sees a person, animal, or vehicle, and you can communicate with visitors through your phone or smart display. Installation is straightforward for the wired version. You replace your existing doorbell, and for the battery version, you can place it anywhere you like. The Amazon Ring doorbell also offers high-definition video and two-way talk, allowing you to see and speak with visitors from anywhere using the Ring app. It sends real-time notifications to your smartphone whenever it detects motion or someone presses the doorbell. Installation is easy whether you choose the battery-powered model or the wired version that connects to your existing doorbell wiring. Next, let's talk about the Echo Show and the Google Nest Hub. The Echo Show is a smart display that lets you make video calls, watch movies, control smart home devices, and more. When paired with a smart doorbell like the Ring, you can see and interact with whoever is at your door directly from the Echo Show screen. It also has great music capabilities, allowing you to stream from services like Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. The Google Nest Hub offers similar features, including video calls, music streaming, and smart home control. With the Nest doorbell, you can view live video feeds and interact with visitors right from the Hub screen. It also integrates seamlessly with other Google services, providing a personalized experience with Google Assistant. Both devices are easy to set up. For the Echo Show, simply plug it in, follow the on-screen instructions, and connect it to your Wi-Fi. For the Google Nest Hub, plug it in, open the Google Home app, and follow the setup instructions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos to make your home always smarter. See you next time.